threshold. They pay out monthly if you have made $100. Even if you have not made $100, it will not go away, okay? They will keep it and it will sum the next month. So some people for 6 months, if they are depending only on ads revenue, if they are depending only on ads revenue, they might not even get that threshold of $100. So they make now, they can make their money through membership. That's why I'm saying that please join my membership. They can make money through membership, and some countries, the super chat is not even allowed in the country. I think recently is now that YouTubers in Dubai can activate their super chat. But if you're in a country where super chatting is not allowed, what will you do? Like in my country now, my family members wanted to be super chatting me, but they don't have access to that. They cannot super chat me because my country is not one of the super chatting something. So in that way, how will you make revenue? My family members, they really wanted to support me, but they were not given that opportunity. So how will you make more revenue? And then, like I was saying, if you can create a website where you can generate links and link it to your AdSense account, it can also reach that $100, because the $100 must not only come from YouTube ads, okay? It can come from your other AdSense that will sum up to that $100, and then you'll be paid. But for now, I'm not yet financially buoyant that I can run a website, because you know that you have to pay to host the site and all that. It doesn't really cost much, but I'm still getting to that. Okay, guys, sorry I'm not reading comments. I feel like this information is very, very important. So if you can get your website and you generate links through your website, for each click you also have cents that will sum up to that $100. But if you cannot make $100 a month, don't worry, YouTube accumulates the amount. Okay, people from Jamaica want to join my membership, but they are not seeing the link there. That's what I'm saying. Like, YT does not give this privilege to all countries. Not all countries can super chat you. Not all countries who YouTubers can have the the super chat privilege. And not all countries can have the membership as well. So it's $100, and then they will convert it to your currency. For me now, $100 is converted to 70 euros because I'm in Ireland. So 70 euros is my threshold, but in dollars it is $100. So guys, these are some of the things I made for my this thing to increase, and I have just been so reluctant to share my link to on my videos, even though I post consistently, like every day. If you see the views there, they range between 100, 200. So obviously I'm not even supposed to be making more money, but guys, I am telling you, my income has been increasing. It's not much for those who are monetized. When I'm saying that it has been increasing, you will know that it's not much. It's not much. So before a day, I could make like 40 cents. I could make like 60 cents if I have a lot of views on that video. But now in a day, unfortunately, I'm using my laptop and I'm using my something. So now in a day, I can make $2 to $3. Okay, I can make $2 to $3. I'll make a video where I'll show all these things so that I should not be like I'm lying. So guys, if you need help, just DM me on my Instagram and then join my family member. Aunt Cooking said, I love Ireland. You've been here a lot, but I'm not making money on this Ireland. Most of my views are coming from Ireland, and I'm not making money from there. Most of my revenue is coming from the US, and I have just 2.8% of my views coming from USA. So imagine if I had like 5% of my views or 8% of my views coming from USA. So if you're here, you're watching me from the US, you're watching me from Canada, please, you better run me with everything that you have. If you're in Germany, please run me. If you're in Italy, run me. I'm taking God's name to beg you. And which is I've not been highlighting this point. I've not been highlighting this point. Let me highlight.